Welcome to the tutorial video of inventory segment of managements part 2. In the previous tutorial video I have described till stock report, and now I will go to the supplier option. So let's click on that. When I will go to the supplier segment, as you can see, there is another dashboard for the supplier segment itself. So from here you can create supplier and manage suppliers, make payments, and set the supplier ledgers. So yeah, I will describe them one by one so that you can easily understand them. So this is the dashboard. From this dashboard you can overview the total supplier quantity, total supplier salary, total pay bills, and total payment numbers. So let's create a supplier to add or create, whatever you can say. Now I will create the supplier. So there is the form. You can also get this from here. If you click on the manage supplier option, you can see add new supplier. So from here you can also add. So now let's create a supplier. I can set okay. So if I said the name of the supplier is Alex Park Shop, so now the contact number would be something. Now sector head of liabilities under sector Alex Laundry. Okay. Now the address would be description. So here the description is a mandatory option, so you need to put a description here. The description could be short. You can write something else. You can add any special notes also here. So if I'm writing just something for an example. Now the bank name, if I choose the PNC Bank, the opening balance and bank account number from here. And now if I save this, then the supplier would be created. So you can see Alex Park Shop, and this is it. So from here you can view this, the total info and supplier detail, and you can also edit this to update the informations, and you can delete this. So let's make payment. To make payment, you can choose any option from here. So I will choose the bank, and now select the supplier name, now the account, and the amount will be $50, and the date, for the date you will need to click on the calendar, and the date is set. Now the check number, as you have chosen the bank account, if you choose the cash, there will be no check detail. So in the remarks you can add advance. Now submit payment. So here you can see the payment is already created and submitted. From here you can view this, and also you can print the invoice from here. And the managerial part would be there are chances to cancel the payment also. So yeah, that's how you can make payments, and from this segment you can manage payments. As you can see, all the lists are here, and you can view them and also print the invoices from here. Now the part of supplier ledger. So to create this supplier ledger, you need to choose a shop or a supplier from here. Now the date would be this. Now if I click on the view ledger, as you can see, it's done. Now you can print the ledger also. So that's how you can add the supplier ledger from here. So these are the functionalities of the supplier segment of inventory. Now I will go to the inventory again, and now I will go to the purchase segment. If I go to the purchase segment, as you can see, there is another dashboard for the purchase segment. So there you can, from here you can overview the total invoice, total purchase amount, and total pay bills. So let's create an invoice from here. So to create invoice, you will click on that and there will be a form like this. So choose the supplier name, date, select the items. Okay, so here you can add the quantity or decrease the quantity, or also can delete this, and the total amount will be shown here. And now you can put any remarks here. Okay, so now if you create the invoice, successfully added, the invoice is created. So from here you can view the invoice and also print the invoice, and also there are options to return the purchase and edit the invoice also. You can also edit this invoice from this option and then update this, and from here you can delete this also. Now the option is purchase return. If there are any purchase return, if any purchase returns from the customers or supplier, so then the list will be shown here. As for now, there are no records yet for the purchase return. So these are the functionalities of the purchase segment of ManageBets. So all of these are part of inventory. So that's it.